Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you the difference between a list and a tuple in Python. The topic is important because it can be a little bit confusing for beginners to understand the difference between them because both looks very similar. So let's start with an example. A list can be declared like this. For example, if I type here my list 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is a list, and if I define a tuple, I will type here my tuple and I will declare tuple like this 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the declaration method of both of these data types. The major difference is lists are mutable. For example, if I type here my list 2 is equal to 10, and if I print my list, so you can see that at index 2 the value of my list has been changed. But in case if I use this tuple here and try to modify its value, here I will again type tuple, and if I try to modify its value at the index 0 like 10, and again if I print my tuple, you can see that it is generating an error. So the major difference is lists are mutable, it means we can change their values, but tuples are immutable. But stop, it looks that this is a disadvantage of a tuple, that we cannot change this, but it have also an advantage, and that is tuples are more time efficient. What does it means? That tuple use less memory resources because of its data types. So if you ever feel that your data is not going to be changed, you should use tuples. But if you see or if you notice that your data will maybe changed on runtime, then you should use lists. So friends, it was the major difference between tuples and list. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.